Hey friends, if the sniping tool is not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Search for sniping tool in the Windows search bar. Click on the download pointing arrow. Select app settings. Wait for it to load. Scroll down, terminate the process, try to repair it. If it works, well and good. If not, then you can reset it. If that helps, well and good. If not, straight away uninstall the app. Then you can search for store in the Windows search bar. Go to the Microsoft Store and then search for sniping tool in the search bar and then open the sniping tool and click on open or install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.